Canva is a web-based graphics program that many consultants use when they want to make graphics for their Sqweee events. Canva offers free accounts that provide all of the essentials, and pro accounts that provide access to a larger range of stock images, animations, and features. From any image post, you can choose to access Canva from directly inside Sqweee via the Design on Canva button, and can publish your designs directly into your timeline with a few limitations. Or you can design them through canva.com and download your designs to your computer and then upload them into your timeline. We'll cover 3 different Canva tasks in this lesson. First, I'll modify an existing graphics post using the Design on Canva button. Then I'll create and publish a still graphic using the Design on Canva button. Last, I'll create an animated graphic on canva.com because animated graphics can't be published using the Design on Canva button, and then I'll upload it to Sqweee. Here I've imported a graphic template for ABC Company consultants to welcome guests to their party. I need to add my photo and name to it. I'll need to use Canva to do that. First, I need to download that graphic from Sqweee by right-clicking it and selecting the Save Image As option, and then the Save button to download the graphic to my computer. Then I click on the Design on Canva button. I need to upload the graphic and my photo into Canva, so I'll do that through the Uploads tab in the sidebar menu. Click the Upload an Image button and select the graphics you want to use. You'll see the graphics upload into the sidebar. Click the uploaded graphic to place it onto the page and drag the corners of this frame out so it fills the page. Now I need a round frame to put my photo into, which I can select from the Elements tab. Click to place it and resize from the corners so it overlaps the part of my graphic where my photo needs to appear. I go back to Uploads, click my photo to place it, and drag it into the frame. Time to add my name. I go to the Text tab, click Add a Heading to place a text field, select a better font, enlarge it, enter my name, change the color, and move it into position. I can do these steps in any order. Then, when I'm finished, I click the Publish button, and the graphic appears in the post. Be sure to click Save Progress. Next, I want to add a new post with a graphic that I'm going to create in Canva. I add a blank post and then click the Design on Canva button. This time, I'm going to use one of Canva's stock images. So I click the Elements tab in the sidebar menu and enter a search term. If I pick an element with a crown, I'll need a Canva Pro subscription to use that element for free, or I'll need to purchase that element individually. I'll delete this photo and pick a free one. Another way to enlarge a photo to fill the page is by right-clicking it and selecting Set Image as Background. Time to add some text. Just like before, I place a text field. Type in my text, change the font, increase the size, change the color. This time I'll add an effect so it stands out more, and move it into place. Notice how next to the Publish button, Canva has already named this graphic design for me. I can also click that name field to enter one manually. This design's name is important to remember if you want to be able to edit the graphic later, as you'll see in a minute. For now, I'm done, so I'll publish it to the post. Now, I think it would be even better if this line of text was animated. You can create animated graphics in Canva for Sqweee, but only from canva.com. Canva does not support this through the Design on Canva button. So I'll hop on over to canva.com. To find the graphic, I'm going to search for it by name in your designs. Here it is. I click Edit, select the text field, and click Animate. Then select an animation style. The information next to this clock icon tells me that the animation will repeat every 5 seconds. I can download this now by clicking the Share button, then Download, and then changing it to the GIF file type, and then uploading it to the post in Sqweee. But instead, I'm going to take it a step further. I also want this post to encourage questions without cluttering the design with text. So this post is going to alternate between this 5-second page and a second one. I duplicate the design, delete the photo on the duplicate, search for a new photo, select it, enlarge it, and change the text. Now I download the graphic, choosing the GIF option. I need both pages to be selected. Then I upload it to the graphics post in Sqweee. The two animated designs will alternate every 5 seconds in a loop. Pretty cool, right? You can do so many things with multi-page animated graphics. Keep in mind that some parts of each page can stay the same while others change. So if your company has 5 new products, you could create a graphic with 5 pages that have the same header and background, but a different product on each page. Have fun using Canva to design graphics for Sqweee.